So here I have a DSLR camera. It's a Canon, the EOS 400D, and you probably have the same issue is when you turn it, nothing shows on this display. So the very first thing that I did was you want to make sure that your battery is all charged up. So I've already taken out this battery, and sometimes, like, if it doesn't have power, then it won't turn on. And you can see that there's actually a plus minus on the battery, which is good. And so you just want to test the voltage here, and I'm getting 8 volts, which I presume is okay. And yeah, so this fully charged needs like 7.4, so anything above 7.4 should be fine. Now, another thing that you want to do is they have these little pins down in there, and you want to make sure that nothing's really bent. Okay, there's these little pins way down in there, you can see them, and sometimes those could get bent over, so check those out. And sometimes you just need a reboot. So what this needed was just a reboot. I just took out the battery and then try to turn it on when without the battery, and this will just make the capacitors, all the voltage come into the capacitors. And then I'm just going to reinsert my battery, and you can see now it turns on. Okay, so this was with the simple fix. It just needed the battery taken out, discharged, and then you put it back in and it should work okay. And just double check those pins, because this, you don't need to take it apart or anything. So it's a nice nice fix. Everything's working great. Wonderful. Okay, give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next repair video.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.